Hi, everyone. As we explore effective feedback and assessment in the Diploma Core, I just want to remind us what the core is and why it's so special. So as a reminder, the Diploma Core has three components. That includes the CAS program, Creativity, Activity, and Service, the Extended Essay, and the TOK program. All of these areas are places where students can truly differentiate their diploma program. They can decide what the components are going to be for their creativity, for their activity, and for their service, as well as their CAS project. Students, as you can see here on the screen, these are the May 2020 TOK prescribed essay titles. Students can also choose their titles and the explorations that they proceed with in TOK, and that's another way for them to differentiate and personalize their experience in the diploma program. And of course, the extended essay and area of knowledge is entirely up to the students to decide. So the core is somewhere where differentiation and personalization can really take place. Remember too that students don't follow a formal phys ed or physical education and health course in the diploma program. So it becomes up to them to find ways to be creative and to be physical and get that activity in. They also don't choose an arts program, an arts course necessarily. Group 6 is arts and electives. So a student who has a real passion for the sciences wants to pursue the sciences in university, or likewise the social sciences, or likewise languages, may double up in those subject groups and take instead of an arts course, but we still want them to be creative and have that learning that comes from creative endeavor. In this module, you're also going to hear from some students in their own words as they reflect on their CAS programs. So the last thing to think about with the core is we are really dealing with the whole child, and this is a great way to remember that. The core elements are ways that we can ensure that the students are well-rounded, and as you work through what assessment looks like in the core, think about what is your role as a teacher in making sure that students get feedback and fully engage in the core program. So enjoy this module.